So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's a gift. So it's my you made my dawn 17. It's okay. So this version is before dawn, and this is my favorite version of all versions because of the tons of photos and color because it's violet. Yeah. My friend bought this unsealed because I really love the teaser images of this one, and I think this version is rare. Not version, the album itself is rare because I don't know. When I am looking for Shopee, this album. I'm done playing with the bubble wrap, so we'll open this. We'll see this freebies from seller. He asked, they asked me if what is my bias, and here some thank you card. I hope this item made your day. We'd love to hear from you. Please read. Yes, you made my day. I got Sunwoo. Oh my god, Sunwoo. Soshi. So cute. Oh my god. Wonu. And Wonu. Hugum Era. Okay, that's all. This is my favorite freebie so far. Anyways, so let's get started. The design of this album is the same as You Make My Day. The three versions will complete a pattern here. I'll insert a picture so that you can see it. But yeah, it will create a shape or whatever you call that one. But yeah, let's get started. So You Make My Day. I'm just using one hand because my other hand is holding the camera. So you made my dawn before dawn version. Please. I got someone. Oh my god, this is the problem. You can see. Oh yeah, hey. Sungkwan. And You Make My Day, I got Dino. And now I got Sungkwan. Make my dawn before. Oh my god. Okay, so violet. Oh my god. Anyways, here are the track list. Good to Me, Home. Oh my god, I don't know. Getting closer. Good to Me, Home. Wait, I'll check the okay, let's check the credits first. Maybe there's an answer. Good to Me. This song deserves an MV, I'm telling you. It has a special dance practice. They performed this one, but it doesn't have any MV, so play this. Home, the title track for this album. Oh, this one. Oh, I think it's Hug. It's Hug. This is the best comfort song of 17. To be honest, you can check their lyrics so that you can relate what I saying. It's just that it's so beautiful. It's so relaxing. It's so chill, and also it has a version, hip hop unit version. It's Hug rock version. So check it. This one is Chili. This is my favorite hip hop unit beside Drama. Of course, Drama is superior, but this one is iconic. They performed this in an O2U tour. This one has a dance. Yeah. The next is Shh by this one is from Performance Unit. They performed this last year in Gayo. I forgot what Gayo. I think it's MBC. Since last year, 17 still can attend MBC. And lastly, we have Getting Closer. This one, they pre-released this one. They performed this at Mama 2018, but this album released in January 2019. So yeah, it's a pre-release track, and it has an MV2. So yeah, this one is so I have some thank you message. This is credits and other stuff. That's all. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so here we have the photo book. 17 is mini album. We make my thought. 4 ton. Kinda nervous. Oh my god. Okay, so here is scoops. So Jonghan, Joshua, Juni. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for the flash. Oh my god, Sunwoo. Oh, wait. So here is Sunwoo. Oh my god, I didn't know that they are together in one page. And here is Jihoon, our birthday boy. So yeah, I filmed this Sunday, so it's Jihoon's birthday, or his birthday. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. D8, TK, Sungkwan. I have no idea what are the concept photos look like, because yeah, I just want to surprise myself, and I didn't watch any unboxing. So yeah, this is literally my raw reaction for this concept photos, because this is an unboxing. So yeah. So here again, we have the problem again. Same. Oh, this is the photo. This is the photo cards. I got D8. By the way, I have one more photo card, so just guess that. So the same problem as Director Scott. Hoshi is in the middle again, and I can see him properly. So I need to. Oh, wait. He's in there again. I'm stressed. Anyways, the photo. Okay. Oh, scoops. Ay. Oh my god, the flash is blinding. I just film it from here. Next is Jonghan. So pretty. Oh. Joshua. So this is where the photo came from. Can you see this, Junie? Because yes, I am seeing it right now, and I'm looking to it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Hoshi. OMG. Oh no. Oh! I got PKs. Oh my god. PK is a bias. So this is my first ever time to get a bias from an album. And here is, what is this? Oh, behind the scenes of Jonghan. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's 17/6 mini album. One. Next is Jihoon. So cute. Oh my god. T8. It is photo card. Oh my god, the flash is kind of irritating. Because when I turn off the flash, you can't see anything. So I'm just gonna test my patience. Oh my god, TK. Oh, it looks good. This is his concept photos. This concept photos, I saw this on IG, and the done and before done version caught my attention. But since this is my favorite color, so this is my favorite concept photos in this album. So what? Oh my god. Oh my god. What is... Oh, we have Tino. Of course, Tino. Tino is the makni. Oh my god. Wait. Here. Oh, that's the end. 17 says mini album we made my gun before it. Oh, there's nothing? That's it? Okay, I'm gonna destroy this one. Anyways, so yeah, that's here's the CD made like this. Oh no, I'm not going to film it. So yeah, this is my unboxing of You Made My Dawn. Wait, let me fix this one. I'm going to take a picture of this, so I'm not going to click. Ah. Okay, so yeah, this is my unboxing of You Made My Dawn, the before dawn version of 17s. This is their 6th mini album. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this video because I enjoy filming this and sharing this with you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Just read the description box, and yeah, that's all. Thank you guys for watching.